everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is May here, and I know I look good. Literally, I am so in love with this look right now. From my eyes to the highlight to the lips, I am loving everything on this look right now. This look is gonna be basically the eyes that I will call this is a tropical sunset beach look. I am loving it. The purples, the reds, that little dual chrome purple in the center. I am loving this look. This look is just giving me life right now. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned and hope to see you guys soon. Guys, so we just did this one eye off camera and I'm liking it. I'm not completely done with it, but I am really liking it. I'm using the Pro Primer, the LA Girl one. This is a stick primer. This is basically like a NYX eyeshadow base in color Milk. Use a concealer brush and I'm just gonna kind of pat this guy all out and also kind of have a bit more fresh. And I'm gonna go in with this orange here from this orange here. We'll go in with this orange here from my Morphe palette. This is the 35M, and I'm going to just apply that orange all first, pat it, and then you sort of pat it all to my lid, blend, and then we're gonna blend it all out. In with this purple here, right here, with the BH Cosmetics. This is their Smoky Eye palette. And that purple, we're going to use that purple to basically kind of go right under below the orange. And I'm going to bring it in and swoop it in. Pat it and then swipe it out. So it's going to go right there under the orange. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with the Morphe Boss Mode palette, and we're gonna go in with this dark color, and we're gonna actually blend those two colors, those two purples out from this one in the BH palette. Everywhere with the palettes, but everything will be listed down in the description bar below. And you're gonna make sure you mix those two colors out, and then we're gonna just concentrate this. We'll concentrate this purple on just the outer portion of my eye, just the outer part of the eye, and go in just a bit. Just to deepen it out more, I'm just gonna go in with just that darker purple from the Morphe palette. I'm gonna make sure you blend that all out. Time to cut my crease. I'm going to be using a lighter concealer, which I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C8. So concentration. My crease is cut, but I'm trying to keep my eyes a little low. I'm going to go in with the white color that's back in this BH Cosmetics Smoky palette. I'm going with this it's not really white. It's more of a pearl color in the palette. And I'll apply that pearl color in the 1/3 portion of my eye. I'm just gonna pat it in. Okay, and in the second third of my eye, I'm gonna go in with the same palette, and I'm going to be using the lighter pink color. This is a nice baby pink, and I'm just gonna apply that one to the inner third. All right, and in the last portion of my eyes, and in the last part of the eyes, I'm gonna go in with this pink color, same palette. Make sure you stamp that pink. And what I'm doing, we'll apply the pink on one side and the lighter pink on the other side. And I'm gonna flip back and forth so I can get that gradient. Then I am going to go in with the dark purple and a black. And then we're just gonna deepen this portion where the liner is. Guys, back out. And so this is how the look looks without mascara or lashes. I am going to go in and go do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back for the finishing touches. Alright, so guys, I did my foundation, highlighting, contour off camera. So now I'm just going to go in with my blush. This is the e.l.f. blush in the color Red Brick. Brick Red. I'll just go backwards with that. Brick Red. I'm just going to add some color back into my skin. You want to add, I just want to, I always like to apply a little bit of blush on my tip of my nose just to get some color onto my face. For some reason, I just like to just do that to get bit. And we're gonna go back into our eyes. And then we're kind of just gonna follow the same pattern with the purple, pink, and I'm not gonna apply that white towards the bottom, but we're gonna do the purple and pink under our eyes. Then we're going with that pink color. Okay, I got this beautiful glitter here from Emi, New York. And to apply the glitter, I'm going to be using the Kisses Super Strong Hold Lash Glue. And this is also the one I'm going to use for my for my lashes. So I'm going to apply the glitter right here in the inner part of my eye, going into the white. Pick it up on the brush. Alright guys, so lashes, mascara is on. These lashes are so cute. I gotta kind of pinch them in. I had to trim the front of them, but I didn't do it. I seen that I needed to, but I didn't do it. So it's like a little bit in my eyeball. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna spray our face. Once your face is spread, you go see new princess. So I spray our face. I know my face looks soaked, but it's gonna melt all. For highlighter, I'm going to be using it's my Ray Ray palette again, and I'm gonna go using the color Moonlight. Ooh. My face is a little wet, so it's just stuck right on there, and it became liquid gold. Press on massage on my nose, the bridge, the top, lip, and I love it on my chin. This is the extra as fuck makeup. And I'm loving it. My lips, I'm gonna be applying this lime. I'm actually gonna be mixing a couple of colors up on my lips because I want a nice nude lip. I'm gonna line my lip first. I'm gonna apply this lime crown color in the color Salem first on the outer parts of my lips. Then I'm gonna apply the Sealer color in the color Biscotti on the center part. On my lips. And I'm just gonna play with the two so I can kind of get it nice and gradient. And this is the final look, you guys. Just tell me I look the fuck good. Thank you so much for staying here, and thank you so much for just being a part of my channel, watching me grow and growing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I had. It may be a little long, but I'm trying to work on shortening up my videos. But with that, like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you soon. Bye.